Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you will learn how to set up your cancellation policy in your Zolmi account. The benefits of using Zolmi for your cancellation policy include displaying your policy clearly in all client appointment reminders and during the booking process on your booking page. You also have the ability to set your client conduct or late arrival policies. To set your cancellation policy, firstly go to the Client section. Then click on Policies. With Zolmi, you are able to set your cancellation cutoff period for between 1 to 72 hours. We suggest that you choose 24 hours or 48 hours, depending on the value or length of time to deliver the services you provide. If you are sending appointment reminders to your clients using Zolmi, we would suggest that you send reminders prior to your cancellation cutoff period. This would ensure you give the best client experience for your clients. To find out how to set up your appointment reminders, click on the message at the top right of this video now. Zolmi has pre-added an example cancellation policy, which you can edit and update to meet your requirements. This default cancellation policy is for guidance only and is not intended to constitute legal advice. Starting appointments on time is a top priority for client satisfaction. Having a late arrival policy helps you uphold this standard by clearly stating that late arrivals may need to be rescheduled or canceled. If you are using a late arrival policy, it is also committing you to begin appointments promptly for the client. You are able to set your client conduct policy. This is very important if you are involved in close contact treatments such as a massage. It can also be used to inform clients about your policies on politeness to staff, taking calls during appointments, or bringing friends with them to an appointment. That concludes how to set your cancellation policy with Zolmi. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.